Travel the world with Brandon. Today's destination: visiting the historic city of Gdansk. Located along the Baltic coast in northern Poland, Gdansk is a city that feels like stepping into a storybook. Its beautifully restored old town is one of the most colorful in Europe, with rows of tall, narrow buildings painted in bright pastels. Strolling down the famous Long Market, you'll find yourself surrounded by centuries of architecture, lively cafés, and street performers bringing the city to life. At the heart of it all stands the iconic Neptune Fountain, a symbol of the city's deep connection to the sea. Gdansk has long been a major port, and its maritime heritage is everywhere, from the historic cranes along the waterfront to the museums that tell stories of trade, shipbuilding, and exploration. But Gdansk isn't just beautiful, it's deeply significant in world history. Just outside the city lies Westerplatte, where the first shots of World War II were fired in 1939. Decades later, the city became the birthplace of the Solidarity movement at the Solidarity shipyards, led by Lech Walesa. This movement helped spark the fall of communism across Eastern Europe, making Gdansk a symbol of resilience and change. Today, the city has transformed into a vibrant cultural destination. Along the Motlowa River, you'll find scenic promenades lined with restaurants and cafes where you can relax and take in the views. Nearby, the European Solidarity Center offers a powerful and interactive look into the city's modern history. If you're looking to unwind, the sandy beaches of the Baltic coast are just a short trip away, offering a peaceful escape from the city streets. Gdansk is a place where history meets charm at every corner, where medieval streets, powerful stories, and seaside beauty all come together. It may not always be at the top of every traveler's list, but once you visit, it's a city you won't forget. If you enjoy these videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, see you on the next adventure, and keep exploring.